Welcome to Big Ideas Lesson 1.5, Dividing Integers. So we're just going to go ahead and get started right away. This is very similar to multiplying integers. We actually have very similar rules. So when we divide integers with the same sign, the quotient, or the answer, of the two integers with the same sign is always going to be positive, and the quotient of the integers with different signs is always going to be negative. So let's go ahead and try that out. So we're going to go ahead and put our rule up here so we remember. So when we're dividing two integers with the same signs, the answer will always be positive. And here we have 20 divided by 5. Just like elementary school, we've already learned that 20 divided by 5 we know is positive 4. And 16 divided by 4 is also 4. All right, so what if we are dividing with negative numbers? Is it any different? Well, if both of the integers that we're using for the division problem are negative, then the answer is going to be positive as well. So negative 20 divided by negative 5 is going to be positive 4 because both signs are negative. And negative 16 divided by negative 4 is also going to be positive 4. So what happens if the signs are opposite? When we divide integers with the opposite signs, we want to go ahead and put that rule up. When you divide integers with opposite signs, the answer will always be negative. So if I have a positive divided by a negative, the answer will be negative. So let's try it out in theory. We have 20 divided by negative 5. And so I know 20 divided by 5 equals 4. But then because the signs are opposite, I have a positive and a negative. The answer will be a negative 4. And you can always check and make sure it works backwards as well. I know that negative 4 times negative 5 should equal positive 20, and it does, so that's perfect. All right, let's do 16 divided by negative 4 equals negative 4 because the signs are opposite. And if I have a negative divided by a positive, it will also equal a negative. So notice that it doesn't matter which one comes first. As long as they're opposite, it will always equal negative. So negative 20 divided by 5 equals negative 4. And negative 16 divided by 4 equals negative 4. All right, you are ready to start lesson 1.5 in your Big Ideas assignment.